kitchen smelled of rosemary, clinging to the air like a comforting ghost. I kneaded the dough slowly, the rhythmic push, and pull a familiar anchor in the storm that had become my days. This was Tuesday. Chicken and rosemary focaccia night. He used to love this. I press my thumb into the warm dough that always rose into a cloud of promise. I can almost hear his laugh now, the way it used to fill the kitchen with such radiant joy. I am safe in this memory. I sprinkle sea salt over the dough, its crystals catching the soft light filtering through the window above the sink. The tap drips, a steady, lonely rhythm. I should fix that. But everything feels too heavy. The oven warms, its low hum a counterpoint to the growing silence in the house. I chop vegetables, my hands moving with a practiced ease. Carrots, celery, onion, their earthy scents blending into a fragrant symphony. I am enough. I add them to the simmering pot, imagining his face lighting up to see his favorites cooked. The steam rises, blurring my vision. I peek out the window. The sun is beginning to dip below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of lavender and rose. It was still brighter when he was supposed to arrive. The colors are beautiful, but hollow. I trust the timing in my life. I stir the simmering sauce, the wooden spoon scraping against the bottom of the pot. The clock on the wall ticks, each second a tiny hammer blow against my heart. He should be here. He said he would be. I prepare his favorite pasta and his favorite Italian red for him. I set the table. 2 plates, 2 sets of silverware, 2 wine glasses, catching the fading light like tiny beacons. I light the candles, their soft glow casting dancing shadows on the walls. It used to feel so romantic. Now, it feels like a stage set for one. I am healing. I sit at the table, the fragrant steam from the pasta warming my face. I close my eyes, inhaling deeply. It smells good. It tastes good, though the first bite catches in my throat. I try to visualize him here, sitting across from me. I try to conjure his smile, the way his eyes crinkled at the corners when he laughed. But the image is fading, like an old photograph bleached by the sun. I am grounded. The candles flicker. Hours pass. The silence deepens, wrapping around me like a heavy blanket. I clear the table, scraping the uneaten food into the bin. The clatter echoes in the stillness. The weight seems heavier tonight. I wash the dishes, the warm water a temporary balm against the growing ache in my chest. I watch the soap swirl down the drain, carrying away the remnants of a meal never shared. I am enough. I blow out the candles, one by one. The darkness returns, a cool and steady presence. I pour myself a glass of water, and I walk to the window. The moon hangs high in the sky, a silent witness to my solitary vigil. I look out at the world and take a deep breath, finally letting myself realize what is happening and what is over. The stars shine for me. I am safe in this moment.